It's your my goodness, this is very good salmon. Antibiotic free, whatever they say. Making poke from this. Let's go. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your burpee yoga uncle. Sup, it's your So I sped it up here. I'm basically gonna prep the fish, cut them into little blocks, and then I got a little hungry just cutting the fish, wondering what it's gonna taste like. So I actually did a little tasting here without making my recipe. Here I go, sampling it. Sushi grade, wasabi and soy sauce. Alright, after my sampling, back to cutting more fish. Now I'm going to be making the spicy poke. This spicy salmon is super easy to make. It's only got 3 ingredients. The first one is mayonnaise. You need mayonnaise, and that's what I'm trying to get right here. Mayonnaise, any kind. You can make your own too if you want. And then the other thing you need is masago or tobiko, which is basically fish eggs, little ones. You see them in sushi a lot. And then you just mix them together, and then and throw in the fish. And then the other 2 things that you need is onions as well as sriracha. But as you watch this thing go slowly and slowly, I did 2 steps first, simply because I want to make sure I got enough of the masago mix into the mayonnaise to make it taste really, really ono. Yeah, man, when I watch my videos, I want to like eat whatever I'm making. I don't know if anybody else does that when they do the editing of their videos. Like, man, I want to eat that again. I added some salt and I think that was garlic salt there to put it in there. But again, you can put pretty much anything. Poke is very personal. Every single poke shop makes it a little bit different, and so no difference when you make it at home. The most important thing is just your fish. Obviously, there's no way for me to get good fish like they do in Hawaii. Ahi is like the supreme fish. You can actually catch it off the coast of Oahu and most of the places and eat them. Not much salmon, but salmon is very nice and fatty. And so after I'm finished mixing it, you see the next shot, I have a green onion to put in already, and the secret, sriracha sauce. Yeah, sriracha sauce, depending on how much heat level you have, you just put them in there and mix it and broke the mouth. That's what I'm saying, man. Broke the mouth. Now I want to go and mix some. Enjoy. That's all I can say, man. Broke the mouth. And you want it more spicy, not that hard. More sriracha. So good.